When we think about math, we think about people. All we gotta go use estimate. All we go to the website you need to learn math is Olverareyna math. This is how what the math quizzes look like. See, look like this. 1 plus 1 is. This is how it looks like when you get all correct. Yeah, and then yeah, yeah, and then, then here. This is what happens if you get all correct. See, 6 out of 6. You get points each time when you get an answer correct in a question. See, this is how it looks like. Here, now here. If you haven't answered one question before, yeah. Now here. 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 This is what happens. See, it has to be corrected. Got 6 out of 6 still. See, this if this question is must be required. Let's go to the previous page. Now, if you answer the wrong answer, let's see the results. The X will appear if you answer it correct. The check mark next to the answer that's the correct answer. If there's a check mark near the number or answer, that means that's the correct answer. This is the wrong answer sign. Yeah, I'll show you the tour. See, this is our logo. I created this website. This is a preview, and this is how it looks like in tablet. So sorry if it messed up. In phone, this is how it looks like in phone. Okay, I hope I showed you the basic steps. Bye.